Hello everyone. We will explore the graphical interface of Agardio.manager. The measurements are clustered into various categories. First category is energy management. Second one is power quality. Third one is protection, H3 plus energy circuit breakers. Then, we have the measurements, the events, and EIEC settings. Let's start with energy management dashboard. One graph shows the consumption and the production share. Another graph shows the main trends in terms of production and consumption over 7 or 30 rolling days. We can also see the pricing, and some information about the energy meters for water, gas, steam, air. The energy index of all the meters which are included into the installation is shown here. The products and their energy index are downloadable in Excel format. All windows can be moved to customize the dashboard display. Let's go to the consumption tab. It shows the energy distribution per usage and per zone. The display per usage indicates which device is the biggest energy consumer inside the installation. The energy trend per usage is calculated over 7 or 30 rolling days. The energy distribution per zone highlights if one zone is more energy consuming than others. By clicking on this zone, we can see which device is the biggest energy consumer. In this example, it is the ventilation. The energy trend per zone is available over 7 or 30 rolling days. Agardio.manager enables a deeper analysis by integrating the energy production. The production tab shows the consumption share on the power grid, and the production share on the solar grid, over 7 or 30 rolling days. This board indicates the energy index of all the products which are dedicated to power supply, the power or the photovoltaic grid, in this example. This graph provides a view of the solar and the power consumption share. All this data can be downloaded. Let's switch to the Products tab. It is also possible to download this data in Excel format. This tab shows the energy index of all the Modbus meters of the installation. The energy index and the relative consumption have a start and an end date. The Pricing tab displays the pricing distribution in relation to the power or the solar grid tariff. We can also see the pricing division per source, and the pricing history for both power and solar grid. This tab deals with other energy sources, such as water, gas, air, and steam. There are two levels of display for the power quality. The regular one is a standard display of the product data. The advanced one enables to generate a graph for a deeper analysis of the data. For instance, the phase-to-neutral voltage harmonics, the phase-to-phase voltage harmonics, and the current per phase harmonics. If we go to the Protection tab, Dashboard, we can view the number of H3 plus energy products which are linked to Agardio.manager, and their status. In this example, all the products are communicating, and there is no pre-trip, or trip, as the columns for the time are empty. Click on Products to have a detailed view of the product's settings, the current value and the updated status of the auxiliary and alarm contacts. Let's go to the Measurements tab. This tab enables to perform analysis on the history, in real time, for one or many products, to make comparisons, or to work on the energy part only. Click on History. Select the product, a transformer for instance, and the service you wish to monitor, apparent power. Enter the start and end date. Click on Launch Query to check the daily consumption of the transformer. It is possible to display the temperatures, in order to check if there is a link between the temperature and the energy consumption. This data can be downloaded in Excel format or as an image. It is also possible to make some real-time measurements, and to use Agardio.manager as a measurement device. Select a product and the service you wish to monitor. Agardio.manager will display the real-time values. A table view and a graphical view are available. The graphical view enables to have an outline of the consumption. This data is downloadable as an image. The same can be done for multiple products. The values of both products are visible here. It is also possible to see the evolution of the energy consumption according to the period. The Energy tab enables to make some comparison on energy. Once the product is selected, the services which are linked to energy are shown in the list, with a start and an end date. Click on Apply to view the graph. Agardio.manager can track the events which have occurred on the server, only the active ones, or all the events. Doing so enables to have the history of each element. EIEC settings show an analysis of the current situation provided by Agardio.manager, in pink, and the expected situation, in green. The gaps and the axis of progress are clearly visible. In this example, even if we have been waiting to reach a high level of renewable energy, we are on a level 3 today. An important axis of progress has been identified on renewable energy. We are beyond our requirements on some points, for instance on the harmonic measurements. The EIEC display enables to visualize our status and the axis of progress compared to the energy efficiency standard.